Did you tune in on Monday and found answers to the reason why your 3406E or C15 turbocharger is lacking performance? Is it time to replace that worn-out turbocharger with something new? Look no further than Highway and Heavy Parts. We carry brand new Caterpillar turbochargers for the 3406E and C15. Balanced, long-lasting power is the hallmark of turbochargers, and our aftermarket suppliers that also support the OE will give you peace of mind that you're getting quality you can count on. Each component is thoroughly inspected for fit and finish before being built into the turbo. The turbine housing and center sections are made of cast iron, and the compressor housing is made of aluminum. This will provide long-lasting strength and durability. Increased power and efficiency, performance is what you'll see in your Cat diesel engine when this turbo is installed. A true sign that shows these turbos are built to the OE specifications. Better yet, all new turbochargers come with no core charge and a 12-month parts warranty. Hard to beat that when you're looking to upgrade your engine. For more information on the Cat 3406E C15 turbocharger, check out highwayandheavyparts.com. Have your serial number ready when ordering online or over the phone. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to us on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date with news from Highway and Heavy Parts. If you have any questions, you can chat with us on highwayandheavyparts.com, or you can call me or any of the other service experts at 844-447-1453. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.